Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue while playing the game Rematch Beta. You got an issue of controller not working. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I recommend do not use a Bluetooth connection to your system and controller. Make sure you use a wired connection while playing the Rematch game using your controller. Nextly is you need to open up your Steam, right click on your game and go to the properties. From the left pane, you will find the option of controller. Click on it. Next to override for rematch beta test from drop down list, you need to choose the option enable Steam input. After doing so, close it. Now go ahead, relaunch the game and hopefully the issue will be fixed. Now if controller is still not working, in next step, you need to download a tool with the name DS for Windows. Click on this download option to download this DS for Windows into your PC. It's a zip file, so wait for it to download. And once it is downloaded, open the zip folder. Now drag and drop the folder onto your desktop to extract all the files that are zipped into this particular folder. Now open the unzip folder and you will find a file with the name DS for Windows. Double click to launch it. Now go ahead and first of all install the required drivers as it is shown right over here and then click on the option finish. Now once the drivers are installed, you need to connect your controller and the controller will be shown right over here. One more thing friends, if you are using PS5 controller, then you need to create a new profile by clicking on the option new and then from a drop down list next to the output controller, you need to select the option Xbox so that your PS5 controller acts as an Xbox controller. Then hit apply. After doing so, relaunch you again and hopefully the issue of controller not working while playing the game Rematch Beta will be completely fixed. So this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.